Assalamu alaikum and hello. This is Ahmed Zaki, matric number 82EC4003. I am in the lab 3 group with Fathan, and this is program 2 for our lab 3. And as you can see, this is the code for the program. And first of all, let's understand what is this program actually. This program asks the user to enter six integer values, store them in an array, and then calculate the sum. The array name is hello, as you can see in the code. If we actually look into this before we run it, let's just have a quick overview in the code before we run it. So one of the values at even indexes, like for example 0, 2, 4, and we have another value for the non even indexes, which are 1, 3, and 5. So finally, after then we will actually print the sums for both of them. So if we go for it by steps, okay, we can start from the first line. Okay, here from up more. Okay, here is okay. Okay, first the program will print the welcome message. Okay, if we go there down a little bit, the program will print the welcome message using write string. Then it enters a loop that runs 6 times, where it prompts the user to enter an integer. Then it reads the number with read deck, and then restores it in the hello array that we have talked about before using the ESI register. After that, the program resets the pointer to the beginning of the array and set up 2 registers. So as you can see, we have EAX and we have EBX. EAX will store the sum of the even index values, while the other one will store the odd values or odd indexed values. So basically this then we will run another loop that goes through the array. This time it will add one value to the even sum, and then it will move to the next one and adds it to the odd sum. This will be like the loop. This will be like going uh, until like all the values are done or are processed. Then we will print the result. So supposedly after it shows the even indexed values, then it will show the odd indexed values, which are like opposite of the even. Now let's try to run it and see like what happens. Okay, let's try to input some values. We can like put 20 first, then 25, then 30, then 37, then 40, then 43. Okay. Okay, cool. So this is like the expected result. The program is goes like as we expected. So it's a successful run. And just to point out, we have 2 loops, one for input and one for calculation. And we used EAX and EBX as our accumulators. So I believe this is like everything for this part, which is program 2. Here we want to just use a simple way to practice the input and array storage, and also like the loops, and of course summing the numbers or values using assembly language. So basically multiple no, multiple sort of usage of assembly at one time, at one exercise. This is the purpose of the program 2. Thank you for watching. And now we will be proceeding to part 2C.